Hi, Escambia County, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. As administrators, you understand why student attendance is a top priority, and that's why today we're going to showcase the Perfect Attendance Report. This report shows you the students with the best attendance at your school. Let's get started. Once logged into Focus, you're going to go to the Attendance menu, under Reports, and select Perfect/Excessive Attendance. You'll notice that Perfect Attendance Report is selected by default, but we have two additional reports listed on this screen. Today we're focusing on the Perfect Attendance, but we have videos in our playlist covering the other two reports if you want to learn more. In addition, you have different drop-down menus where you can filter your data. Let's start with the threshold. So if you look at the threshold, it defaults to 0 daily absences. If you'd like to select something different, you can. The next option is time frame. You have various options available. One I want to point out is the custom feature. If you do a custom date range, you'll have two additional text boxes appear where you can either enter in the date or select the calendar icon and select your date. For this example though, we're going to just stick with school year. If you'd like to show a certain period and include the teacher name, you need to select it on the Show Teacher dropdown. If you'd like to ignore excused absences, select the checkbox. If not, and you're ready to run your report, select Go. Now your report's loaded and you can view students with perfect attendance. This report shows the student photo, student name, student ID, the grade level, the period teacher selected from the Show Teacher dropdown, the days absent, period absence, and periods tardy. If you'd like to view the report in full screen, click the button to the right. If you'd like to exit full screen, click the button again. You also have the option to filter the report. Click the filter button, make your selections. For this example, we're going to select grade, equal to, and grade 5, and run filter. Now my report shows me all the students in 5th grade with perfect attendance. If I wanted to go ahead and add an additional rule, I could do that by selecting Add Rule, and then making my selections. If I need to remove, select the Remove next to the box, and that filter has been removed from my report. If I select the student name, it brings up their absence summary screen, which gives me an in-depth view of the student's attendance information. To return back to the report, I would click the back arrow. And if there is ever a time that I needed to save this report, I could click the floppy disk and save it as an Excel spreadsheet. Now you know how to run the Perfect Attendance Report within Focus. Thanks for watching. Our recommended video is linked above. If there's content you'd like to see, check out the link below to send us your feedback. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be alerted when new content is released.